Yeah, Ravi, what is your question?
Sir, I have a very senior professional who is working in a reputed company. He's the CEO of the company, and he joined my class. And I was teaching asanas, pranayama, and meditation and yoga nidra. So the question is, after finishing this, he asked a question that asana and pranayama he was able to focus, but while doing meditation and yoga nidra, his mind was constantly flickering, and he was not able to really focus.
See,
So, what should we really teach them for such professionals?
very good. See, Ravi, please understand CEO means stressful job. You know, many people don't know the statistics of CEOs. You know, this Fortune 500 companies you say, have you heard about it?
Yes, sir.
Every year, 50% of CEOs, they lose their job in that companies. So it is highly stressful, risky job, CEO job means. CEO job means like pilot profession. You know, every landing is a stress for pilots. How many of you know this?
Correct.
Every flight landing is a stress because a split second mistake can collapse the flight. So that's why I read somewhere their lifetime is also less pilot's lifetime. So they will be restless. They will cannot stay in yoga nidra. They will be constantly moving. So what I recommend you first teach progressive muscle relaxation to them. What
Okay.
we taught you in yoga teacher training, progressive muscle relaxation technique.
Okay. Okay.
And then you teach this 61 energy points with the breathing in and breathing out. All the 61 points, 2 times breathe in and breathe out. Eyebrow center, breathe in, relax. Breathe in and relax. And periodically appreciate him in the class. Periodically, see, you have to recognize the seniors. I do this. If any doctor joins, I recognize them. I appreciate them. Mama, thank you so much. Doctor is joining. All of you, please watch. Dr. Ravi Kumar, I joined. Please, appreciate that person. Sir, I see you, a senior person like you joining to my class. I'm so lucky, sir. You appreciate him 2-3 times. See, he will never leave you. Yeah, your question is very valid. People who are having tremendous stress, they hate yoga nidra. They hate meditation. Truth. Because mind has to come to set a little bit.
Okay.
That is why what you have to do before teaching yoga nidra relaxation techniques, you have to wash them very intense, Ravi.
Okay, sir.
Make them to do Naukasana 6 times.
Okay.
Each Naukasana 20 seconds. Try this tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Naukasana and then give relaxation technique to him.
Okay.
He will fall in love. The mind is restless. That's why they get diabetes. That's why they get high blood pressure. That's why they get heart attacks. The people restless minds. The glands will start malfunctioning. So for them, the relaxation is powerful. But see, how we teach walking to children after 1 year, and then we hold their hands for some time, and slowly we leave them. So like this yoga path also, you have to take their hands, slowly take them onto the path. Otherwise, they will hate yoga. Are, I am attending Ravi Kumar class. After 20 minutes, he will start some relaxation. Yaar, boring, bhaiya. He will say meditation, ajapa japa, abba, baba, baba, boring. So for them, focus not only for CEOs, wives also in stress. Managing 2 children is managing like 500 employees. Managing 2 children, one husband, stupid husband is also there, managing 3 children. Sometimes mother-in-law, that is like running the 10,000 employees, managing mother-in-law. What are we laughing?
Very true, sir.
If mother-in-law is in house, is a hell. If some mother-in-law feels bad, I am not responsible. I've seen enough mother-in-laws. What I am saying, everybody is in stress. College students stress. MBBS rank, all are interested. So you have to teach initial first week, second week, asanas, pranayama, focus, progressive muscle relaxation, 61 points energy center, and more yogic breathing. Yogic breathing itself is a relaxation. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Very good question, yeah. Nicely, please handle them. If CEO, you are able to manage him, if he's getting benefits,
Yes,
you will become the entire organization yoga teacher.
correct.
So nicely hold him. Don't leave that person
Sure.
because you are hitting directly the big boss. Catch hold of him.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Don't forget to praise him 3-4 times. Sir, such a busy person. You are attending my classes, sir. You are really good, sir. Sir, you are very good, sir. करना पड़ता कभी कभी क्या करना है लाइफ में. Thank
He has
you, Ravi.
attended only Saturday, Sunday trial class, sir. Yes, he's become really interested to learn this.
Sir, if you are interested, so you tell him, na, sir, now I will become a yoga, popular yoga teacher because you are joining my classes. Is your
Yeah.
existing company CEO?
No, no. He's different.
Then better not to teach your CEO.
Yeah.
Okay, good, dear Ravi.
Thank you.